Welcome everyone. In this video, we will learn three basic vector operations: addition, scaling, and subtraction. Let's start with vector addition. To add two vectors, place the tail of the second vector at the head of the first. For example, if vector A goes 3 units to the right and vector B goes 2 units up, then the result is a vector that goes 3 right and 2 up. Think of it like walking. First move along A, then move along B. Your final position is A plus B. Next is scaling. Scaling a vector means multiplying its length by a number. Doubling a vector makes it larger. Scaling by 1/2 makes it shorter. Multiplying by a negative number shifts the direction. Finally, vector subtraction. Subtracting a vector is the same as adding its negative. So A minus B is A plus negative B. If B points up, negative B points down. That gives us the final vector A minus B. To summarize, addition means combines movements of vectors. Scaling means stretches, shrinks, or flips a vector. Subtraction means adding the negative of a vector. And that's it. Now you know what is vector addition, scaling, and subtraction. Thanks for watching.